Nobody wakes up one day and decides to waste their life. It happens quietly. One skipped morning. One postponed decision. One night you told yourself, tomorrow I'll get serious. And tomorrow came, and went, and came again. Here's the thing, you're not lazy. That's not the problem. Lazy people don't feel guilty. You feel guilty all the time. That guilt is proof you care. So why does nothing change? Because you've been trying to fix the wrong thing. Everyone talks about habits, routines, discipline, 5 a.m., cold showers, color-coded planners, and maybe you've tried all of it. Maybe it worked for 2 weeks, maybe 3, and then life hit you, one bad day, one stressful week, and the whole system collapsed like it was never there. That's not failure. That's a design flaw. Here's what nobody tells you. Your brain isn't wired for consistency. It's wired for survival. And to your brain, a hard task feels like a threat. So it does what it always does with threats, it avoids them. Procrastination isn't weakness. It's your nervous system doing exactly what it was built to do. But wait, if that's true, then willpower was never the answer. Think about that for a second. Every time you said, I just need more discipline, you were fighting biology with motivation. And motivation is a feeling. Feelings change. Biology doesn't. So what actually works? The people who seem effortlessly organized, and yes, those people exist, you've seen them, they don't have more willpower than you. They've built their environment so the right choice is also the easiest choice. They removed the decision. They made discipline automatic. Not inspirational. Automatic. And this is where it gets crazy. The moment you stop relying on how you feel and start designing how you function, everything shifts. You stop white-knuckling your way through the day. You stop needing a motivational speech just to start. The system carries you when the motivation runs out. Most people don't realize this until they've wasted years trying the other way. Here's the real principle underneath all of it. You don't need to be a different person. You need a different setup. Your habits aren't failing because you're broken. They're failing because they were built on feelings instead of structure. So here's what you actually do. You shrink the target until it's almost embarrassing. Not 30 minutes of reading 2 pages. Not a full workout 10 minutes. Not a perfect morning routine, one thing. Done before your phone touches your hand. You make the bar so low you can't fail. And then you hit it. Every day. Without negotiating. Because here's what they never tell you about discipline. It's not something you have. It's something you build. And you build it by winning small on purpose until winning becomes the default. The people who changed their lives didn't do it by going harder. They did it by making it harder to quit than to continue. You already know what needs to change. You've known for a while. The only question left is, are you going to design a life that works for you? Or keep hoping that one day you'll feel ready? Because that day, it's not coming. But this moment, this one right here, this is it.